The Japanese invasion of the Philippines was conducted on schedule. The first landing was made on December 8th. And during the 2 weeks following, beachheads were successfully secured at 6 points in the archipelago. The Nipponese assault troops have been well prepared for this kind of campaign.
I am an old woman.
At the age of 96, Mama Bill is stricken with dementia and Alzheimer's disease. Although the condition has greatly affected her memory, there are still days when she is lucid. Born in Salina Villaflor on December 13, 1916, she was called Billy by her father, who was expecting a baby boy. Mama Bill and her family lived a happy and charmed life. But things changed when on the fateful day of December 8, 1941, just a few days before her 25th birthday, the Japanese started their attack on the Philippines. How did the Japanese act during the invasion?
They were, yung mga Japanese doon invaded. Amalapag na invaded na doon na. They invaded, they don't even kill or what, no. But or, basta to feel lang, naku, nakantara sa dyan. Ganyan, they were Japanese. So what we did is to go away. We had to go away. Ang ginagawa namin, no, what we do, because wala pa, we will rice or what, no, what we do is, we have to harvest, ganyan, we have to palay also, and then to harvest, yung harvest, we have to, we do not kill, but we will harvest. So, ang gawin namin, we have to, baka sabihin na kami dito na, nandiyan ang Japanese, ay, never mind, but they did not kill, or,
So how did they act?
Pag feel lang, ay, yan. Kaya yan na natatakot lang sa puso ko nga, dumating na Japanese, ganyan.
So,
Dati,
was there any struggle or revolt against the invaders?
Okay, some more. Bayoneta. Ganyan naman ang hapon. Ganyan naman, ganyan. They do that also. Abusado nga, ganyan na nga.
Why did they kill?
Ang dami, bayoneta. Alam mo, bayoneta, ganyan. So, of course, for the Japanese soldiers, they were killers or what, but it is the guerrillas. Do you know the guerrillas?
Once.
See, there were also hard up. They were killers also.
How did you survive the Japanese colonialism because there were a lot of Filipinos
Maganda
died?
na. What we do is you have to, naman ang flag namin, para naman, yan ang flag namin, dumating ang flag namin, and then, they have to flag, and then you have to see the, ganyan ang Japan.
Mama.
Ganyan. Ganyan na basta na, parang ganyan ang panang Japanese. Do you mean to say to survive?
How did you survive the Japanese invasion?
They do not have to harvest, and then you see even the people of the hut, yung mga yung mga tabing-tabing na nga for the Carabao. Carabao dyan. We have to get mga yung hats. Gumagawa sila ng hat, ganyan. We have to sleep. It's nice, we have to sleep. To kill, but to sleep. Okay. That's it.